Okay, we are going to make a lemon chia elixir, and I had spoken to you before about the importance of having lemon and water for your gut health and also for your liver. In preparing for the detox, the addition of the chia seed is super important because it's very soft and gentle on your gut. Chia seeds are, I think, 40% fiber. They are 14% protein. They are super good for you. The lemon, a great shot of vitamin C. We're going to include in our drink as well apple cider vinegar, which is a big important part of getting your gut health ready. And you simply put it all together and drink it once a day. So an easy thing to do is I use an old bottle that I had from milk, and I think they're so pretty, I always save them. You put in 2 tablespoons per about a cup and a half. See if I can get that in here without making a mess. There's 1. And there is 2. Now, chia seeds swell up. If you have any issues with your any intestinal issues, stomach issues, you need to make sure that you're very careful in how you consume chia seeds because they do swell many, many times bigger than their actual size. They absorb a lot of the water. So what you want to do is make sure that you add a fair amount of water when consuming them. I'm going to fill this up to almost the top. I'm using a pH balanced water. Again, part of detoxification is making sure that your body is not acidic, and a good way to help take care of that is to make sure that you're drinking a very good pH water. I'm going to put in a tablespoon of the apple cider vinegar. Do you remember our grandma's always saying how good it is for you? Just make sure if you're consuming apple cider vinegar as part of your detox, it is being mixed with a glass of water because it's very hard on your teeth, the enamel of your teeth. We're going to put in about a tablespoon of honey. Honey is great, fantastic antibacterials in it. It is a good thing to consume. If you're on a low-carb diet or you're avoiding sugars altogether, you can miss that step. I'm going to put in the juice of half of a lime and a juice of half of a lemon. And then you've got to wait for 15, 20 minutes, 30 minutes for it to expand. I'm actually going to put my lime right inside, and a little bit of lemon as well. So half a lemon, half a lime. You may find it really strong, so you can start off with just half in total. That goes inside, lid on. You see all the chia seeds are on the bottom. You've got to give it a really good shake. If they're stuck, put in a spoon to break it down. And it's quite the process for it to start expanding. But when it's done, it looks like this. It's very gelatinous, very thick. Some people have an aversion to the texture. It's something to get used to. If you really don't like the chia seeds, you can go ahead and just have a glass of water with some lemon or lime and some honey. But anyways, I like it. So go ahead, and mine's very, very thick. You can see by the texture, it coming out super thick. I'm going to thin it out a little bit with some more water. It already has the apple cider vinegar, and I'll finish it off with lemon and lime and a touch of honey. And this is what you want to be consuming every single day in preparation for your detox and throughout the entire time that you have your detox. It is a perfect addition to getting you healthy and your gut healthy for the new year. Cheers.